Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Malwarebytes Premium subscription. Now, if you're like me and you just download and install Malwarebytes onto your computer, you're going to install it and then you're going to come to a page like this. So there's a couple of different ways how we can do this. So if it says welcome to Malwarebytes and you click get started and you've gone through the process, that's all right. I'll show you that way. But from this page is probably the easiest page. So already have a subscription, click on activate subscription. Then also activate your malware subscription. So start using advanced protection. So we click on sign in or activate with license key or MB code. So go ahead and click on activate. Now a little box is going to appear that says activate with license key or MB code. So enter your license key on the Malwarebytes code generated from your other device. So go ahead and put in your license key or MB code and go ahead and click on activate. Now I'll go ahead and show you the other way to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and click on get started, maybe later. Now I'm just going to continue with free trial. All right, so if you're on this page, so I'm just going to make this page bigger. Now from here, we want to go ahead and click on our user profile down the bottom left-hand of the corner of the page here. Then from here, we're taken to our subscription page. Now you can see I'm on a trial, but we're going to go ahead and change that to activate your subscription. Now go ahead and click on activate subscription. And again, as before, activate a license key, put in your license key or MB code, click on activate.